Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable safe browsing on the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Chrome and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select where it says Privacy and Security. And then on the right, underneath privacy and security, over here on the right side, go down and select where it says security, safe browsing. If you want to turn off safe browsing, select no protection, select turn off, and that's all you have to do. And again, it's advisable you do have it turned on, but Google does provide an option to disable it if you want, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.